Hello everybody, welcome back to skidsteers.com. I'm Isaac and today we're going to be talking about the Blue Diamond pickup broom. This pickup broom does come in a couple different options. We've got it in a 60-inch, a 72-inch, an 84-inch, and a 96-inch. Here we have the 84-inch pickup broom, and you do have a couple options as well that you can add to the pickup broom. One of them is going to be the water spray kit on the front that you can add to your pickup broom. This is going to be really useful for any dust control that you may need on the job, as well as on the front left and right side of the pickup broom, you can add a gutter brush. This gutter brush will be very useful when you're going along any curbs or gutters where the pickup broom wouldn't be able to reach those fine corners just based on the shape, of course. And that'll push that dirt and debris out from those curbs into the front where those bristles will then spin and kick it back into the bucket of the attachment. Blue Diamond engineers have spent a year and a half researching and developing this pickup broom. They had worked countless hours with other asphalt pavers as well as rental companies to see on other pickup brooms where they were having troubles or damage or wear on the other pickup brooms, and then added the features and focused on that on this pickup broom so we could eliminate all of that wear and damage that we were seeing or other people were seeing on other attachments. This is a commercially designed pickup broom that's going to withstand all of your commercial needs, so any road work, or if you are purchasing it for a rental company and you're renting it out to other customers, it's again designed to take that abuse that you may see in the rental industry. On the pickup broom, you're going to find a 7-inch tall crash bar. This was added to the Blue Diamond pickup broom because one, those engineers had done their research and were in development of this attachment. They had seen other pickup brooms were being damaged in the front here, which would cause this outer shell to bow inward or be bent in, which is going to cause premature wear on those bristles. And those bristles sit right behind the front of the shell here. So once this bends in, of course, you're going to see those bristles hitting the front of it, which is, again, going to cause premature wear. We also have underneath here, for extra strength and reinforcement, a 8-inch by 3/4-inch bolt-on cutting edge. This is a reversible bolt-on cutting edge, so once that one side starts to wear away, you can unbolt this, swap it around, and then bolt it back on for continuous use. This is going to be a really nice feature because underneath here, the bucket that scoops all that material and debris, the lip of the bucket isn't going to be wearing over time. You're going to be wearing that bolt-on cutting edge before you start wearing the lip of the bucket, which is super nice to have because you don't want to have that bucket wearing away and it's going to be dragging along the ground as you're brushing or picking up any of that dirt, gravel, debris, whatever it may be. You'll also find here on the sides and on the front of the pickup broom a bolt-on rubber skirt. This rubber skirt is super useful to have because you're not going to have debris flying out the sides or the front of the attachment. It's going to help contain all of this underneath that broom going along across the pickup broom, and it's going to push all that debris back into that bucket. So when you do have the bucket filled up, it's easy to go and dump all this out without it flying all over the place. On this pickup broom, you're also going to find an oversized bearing and shaft. This is going to help give additional reinforcement and durability on the pickup broom. And then around those bearings on the left and the right side of the broom, you're going to find this guard sitting outwards, protecting it from any damage if you're running along any buildings or anything like that, just because it is sitting outwards of the shell by just a little bit, and you don't want to be running into anything and damaging that. A really nice feature that they had found to add to this pickup broom when doing their research is that a lot of the pickup brooms have adjustable height, but a lot of those pickup brooms that have adjustable height take multiple hours or a bunch of tools to fix those positions. Whereas on the Blue Diamond pickup broom, there's a 1.5-inch by 7-inch zinc pin that can easily be adjusted by pulling out this pin and readjusting that zinc pin in here and then re-putting this pin back in. And there is 4 different positions to adjust the height of that bucket in the back. You're also going to find on all of the bearings and points the grease fitting You're going to find that on the back here, as well as you will find it on the right-hand side along this bearing. And these are going to be really nice to have open and easily accessible for re-greasing to get smooth operation when opening and closing anything on the attachment or lifting it up and dumping out that material. Underneath here, you're going to find your bristles, and on the Blue Diamond Pickup Broom, it is a poly and steel mix of bristles. On the 84-inch, there is 42 wafers. On the 60-inch, there's 31 wafers. On the 72, there's 37 wafers. And on the 96, there's 49 wafers. This is going to be a very nice pickup broom for any of the debris or dirt or anything that it is that you are picking up with that poly and steel mix. This is going to make it really easy to brush off that debris from the ground surface and then easily transferred to the bucket behind those bristles with that heavily reinforced bolt-on cutting edge. Once you have that debris into the bucket, you can then easily move to your desired location to dump out that debris. And there is also heavy-duty dump stops on this pickup broom to make the dumping of that debris easier on the attachment itself. You also find a nice feature on the back here, welded on steps to easily access and hop out of the cab of your machine. That way you're not climbing all over on top of your pickup broom. It's just a nice feature to have for, again, easy accessibility in and out of that cab of that machine. We are offering a 1-year warranty against any manufacturer defects on this product, as well as we are offering free shipping on this unit, which is going to save you a ton because, as you can see, it is a very large unit. So it's going to take a larger pallet and it's going to take a lot of space up in that truck. So we're going to save you that money, which is going to be huge. If you do have any questions or would like to get this on order, give us a call here. Our number is 866-315-3134, or you can click the link in the description for any extra details or features you may be looking for, or give us a call and we can just go over any of the stuff that was talked about in the video. Thank you all very much for watching, and you all have a great rest of your day. Send us a short video of you using any of the attachments that you had purchased with us online. And if we decide to use your video on our website, we'll send you a free Carhartt skid steer hoodie. Thank you all so much for the purchases with us, and you all have a great rest of your day.